When you talk about Snowflake, people start to smile. They like it a lot. And when you walk around now on the floor, you see a lot of Snowflake screens.
On one of the biggest telcos in the Netherlands, we have an annual revenue of around 4 billion.
We are a merger between Vodafone and Ziggo, and before that it was really a scattered and difficult architecture.
Sometimes our workflows would run for over 20 hours, sometimes 24 hours. And this is only to refresh the data. If somewhere you make one mistake, then you need to start all over again. Well, you could run a query, then go take a coffee, chat with your colleague, come back, and then still the query wouldn't have finished.
Before, the amount of data that we get from our network was too big to handle. Snowflake is much more scalable.
We moved all our different platforms from our data centers to AWS, and we moved our databases to Snowflake. So there's a lot of interaction between AWS and Snowflake. The migration itself was one of the best moments of my career.
With the Snowflake platform, we managed to cut the costs in half, reduce the number of high incident tickets to 0, and we also managed to improve the data timeliness to over 96%. With the whole Snowflake environment is that we have data already available of last day. So if a retail store operator comes in today, looks at the data, I can already see how he did yesterday, and from there decide what the best course of action is. And it makes a huge difference.
If we reach out to a customer or a customer reach out to us, we have kind of a full picture of what's happening and what are their needs, or how can we help them, or have they been contacted before, so we don't have to start from the beginning every time.
5 years' time, I envision that we're more of a telco, that we have AI and Gen AI everywhere in our company that to drive the business units forward. And for that we also need Snowflake.